What's going on?
Take a seat, Pete. It's time for a chat.
We're here because we love you. But it's time to address the elephant in the room.
I'm not an elephant.
You sure snore like one, and there is nothing sexy about it. Something's got to change.
Well, come on. I only snore after having a couple drinks.
It's relentless. Every night. You even choke and stop breathing.
It's true. I can hear you through the wall.
Oh, Mum, you can't talk. You snore worse than Dad.
That's you.
Mate, you sound like a giant chainsaw.
What do you expect me to do about it?
Pete, it's time.
It's time.
It's time. It's time! Hughes?
It's time to see my mates at CPAP Direct. They help me get my sleep apnea sorted. Now I sleep quiet and wake up refreshed. They can help you too. CPAP Direct not only have the latest technology in sleep testing, CPAP machines and masks, and at a price match guarantee, they also know what it's like to use your gear, and they offer good old-fashioned customer service and support. They'll help you find the right fit so you can be a champion and snore no more.
You can leave the mask on.
What?